BJP MLA A.L. Hek informed that implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission JJM at Mawpat village will start very soon. The state government has a sanction of over rupees 28 crore for the scheme. After meeting with the PHE Minister Renington Lingdo Tongkhar, Hek said the proposal for inclusion of Mawpat under Jal Jeevan Mission was submitted by him quite some time back. Hek said that the minister has assured that the scheme will immediately be sanctioned as soon as a foundation stone will be laid for starting the implementation of the JJM in Mawpat village.
So I went with the deputy headmen of the Mawpat village. We had discussed about the scheme. So I had been sent this proposal long back to him, but very good news that he had given us today, because the state sanctioning committee already has been cleared for 33 crores for D under the JJM, under the Jal Jeevan Mission. And also he has given very clear, he said, soon we are going to be laying the foundation stone for the benefit of the water supply for the people of Mawpat.